Hi and welcome to Knowledge Zen. In this video, we are going to talk about Sputnik V vaccine that is being developed by Russia, whose first batch was released into public today. Now we are going to talk about what is Sputnik V, then why is Russian government facing criticism for the vaccine, followed by why Russia is partnering with India for production of vaccine, and finally what's in it for India. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. Alright, so without any further delay, let's begin with point number 1. What is Sputnik V? Sputnik V, where V stands for vaccine, is actually named GAM-COVID Vac. It is a COVID-19 vaccine candidate. It was developed by Gamaleya Research Institute of Epidemiology and Microbiology in Russia and registered on 11th August 2020 by the Russian Ministry of Health. However, as of now, no reputable scientific report on the GAM-COVID vac has been published. Russian officials claim that at least 20 countries are keen in obtaining the Russian vaccine. According to the sources, Russia will be able to produce more than 1 billion doses a year in 5 countries. Now we are going to talk about the criticism that Russia has been facing for the production of vaccination. So here is point number 2. As soon as Russia came out in public about the vaccination, it became sensational. Widespread criticism developed in the international community over the announcement of vaccine registration in Russia, and this was mainly because there was initially no publication of results from clinical trials of Sputnik V, and they had not completed large trials to test the vaccine safety and efficacy, and hence rolling out at an inadequately vetted vaccine could endanger people who receive it. So now we'll be talking about why does Russia wants to partner with India for the vaccine. So let's begin point number 3. As we know, Russia faced lot of criticism when it declared publicly about the vaccination and no one backed it. India was one of the country who didn't criticize about it, unlike other countries. Also, the ties between India and Russia has always been great for decades now, and they can be considered great friends across the border. India is world's largest producer of vaccination and also well renowned in the field of pharmaceutical. Association with India will not only give them recognition, but it will also decrease the time taken to create the vaccine. So acknowledging all these aspects, Russia will come up great in front of the international community. Now coming to the final point of what's in it for India. So let's begin with point number 4. India is currently the second worst affected country from coronavirus after surpassing Brazil and is only behind USA. With reported 4.28 million cases as of now and more than 72,000 deaths, India is reporting about 90,000 cases every day. And due to the nature of the virus, the count is only going to increase further. To stop the cases from growing, a vaccination has to be developed as soon as possible, and hence the Indian government is ready to facilitate phase 3 trials of Russia's Sputnik V vaccine. India's Bharat Biotech International Limited has also started the second phase of clinical trial of its vaccine COVAXIN. So, what do you think about this partnership between India and Russia for the production of vaccine? Do share your views in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.